Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the custom overlay with sticker in CapCut. So first, you are just going to select black screen and select sticker. So you can add a sticker or overlay. For example, just download and add to the track. Can I just for duration assembly? Alright, you can adjust for or the position and size, add more. So after done, you are just going to select the clips, select all the clips, right click and create component clip. Go to media and add your photos or videos you like to edit. For example, I'm going to select this image and switch this for play and put on top. And I just for duration and change for ratio, the original, and sorry, can change for ratio and then merge it, convert it. So select mode of plane. You can select brightness or just screen, just overlay, and just for the opacity. And you can see this final result. Right, that's how you can create the custom overlay with sticker and CapCut. You see, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.